Had to do a mulligan.
It's not even really a mulligan. We were barely even saying anything.
WikiPod! 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 That was WikiPod!
Happy Monday, listeners. Lovely Dumbos. How the fuck are you doing? My name's PJ.
And I'm
Say Genghis Khan.
No. I'm that guy from the Best Show.
Tom Sharpling?
I'm Tom Sharpling.
No, you're AP Mike.
I am AP Mike.
No, you're Guy.
I'm going to go see the Best Show today.
That's so sick. Wait, this is a Monday episode?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Wait, that show's out on Monday?
Yeah, I'm going with Connor. It's a Monday.
I thought you said yeah. Oh, no, you're right. It is a Monday. I'm not going to be able to go.
It's
No.
in Philly. It's gonna be fun. But
It's going to be awesome.
Okay.
Shout out the Best Show. Shout out Tom Sharpling.
Shout out Connor.
Shout
who's
out
bringing
Connor.
me.
The man.
The man.
I feel like we kind of on Friday's episode we sort of shortchanged the audience. What do you think, Guy?
Yeah, we did a terrible job.
We gave up on the article. Basically,
It was a bad article.
It was too much.
I do.
It wasn't going anywhere.
No, and you know what? It all started with me getting cheated because I hit my category was video games, and then all of a sudden I knew I wasn't getting video games because the featured article.
What are the chances that the random article we click on is the same category as the? So,
It's
listener, now about if you were listening to another podcast, a podcaster would come up with like a very sincere, well thought out Chat GPT generated apology, but this is the WikiPod. You put your sorries in a sack and shove them up your ass. We don't give a fuck about
we're not
you.
apologizing for shit.
We didn't do anything wrong.
Didn't do anything
Fuck
wrong.
you. I'll do it again.
Yeah, nothing wrong. Just like Diddy.
Fucking do it again.
Wait.
Just like Diddy, who did nothing wrong.
Diddy didn't do anything wrong apparently.
Except he got 4 years for doing nothing wrong.
Yeah, 4 years in prison for doing nothing wrong.
He did
Luigi
absolutely
literally did nothing wrong.
No, he
Epstein.
got caught. That was the main thing he got
Yeah,
wrong.
Epstein.
He could have lived
did
on in infamy, but he had to just get lazy with it.
Oh, did you hear? There's a peace deal between Hamas and Israel right now.
No, there's not. Israel's still bombing.
Oh yeah, I know Israel's still bombing, but they're saying there is, so everybody.
No,
can wave
they'll
their
back
hands.
out. They're not going to stop until.
What else happened today that was good? They stopped swearing in that one congressman, so they couldn't sign the discharge petition to get the Epstein files out. This is all current events today.
Yeah, this is apolitical current events.
I'm not taking sides on anything.
presented without editorial commentary whatsoever. I guess it's time for categories. There's no better time for categories. I'm going to pick, because this is an apolitical podcast, but we're good people, I'm going to pick women.
All right. Well, that leaves me pretty much no choice but to pick refrigerators.
Why refrigerators? That's odd.
I don't know. But real quick, we got the feature article for today. It's not the same one as the last one. Feature article in the beginning of Wikipedia, before we get random, it always comes up. Today's feature article is Chris Pratt, born in 1979. Is an American actor.
Does it say when he was born again?
No. Is he a Christian?
He's a born-again Christian. He disavowed his child from his first marriage, who was born with some sort of health issue.
How did he disavow?
He just completely just doesn't
What a
address.
fucking scumbag. He seemed nice. I liked him as
Yeah,
Andy
what is
Dwyer.
it with like born-again Christians and like people who are like disabled? They kind of look at people who with disabilities as like subhuman. It's pretty weird, right?
Yeah.
Like I heard a story about like some born-again Christian like heard that like somebody in the neighborhood's like kid was like born with Down syndrome or something, and they just said like out loud, they were just like, oh, the parents must have done something really bad to deserve
Oh,
that.
I know, because God punishes children because of parents' bad disease.
But also it's like they look at like
so
they look at disabilities as like just a purely negative thing, and it's just like
I mean, it
It's
isn't
just
a
it's
positive thing. It's just something that happens.
It's something that happens, but it's like they're still valid human beings.
Oh,
There's-
no.
That's what I'm saying, and it's like they talk about human beings as if they're fucking. Anyway,
Not all.
this is an apolitical
all,
podcast.
Anyway,
so I'm gonna
hit
click random. It's my turn to click random, and you got to be fucking kidding me, guy. I'm going to link you this article. I'm
Okay.
not even gonna say it. I can't even say it. I'm shocked right now.
All right.
What I picked women.
Hold on
What
a second,
did you
hold on a
pick?
second. Shoot
Wait,
me-
I'm not
I
gonna.
picked refrigerators, but
I
shoot
picked
me a-
women.
Shoot
I
me a
picked
text
women.
message real quick.
I'm shooting you the message right now.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Please.
What did you get it?
No, not yet. Hold on.
All right. Let me know when you got it.
All right.
You're not gonna
got it.
fucking believe this.
Oh, okay. All right. I guess we're. You want me to do it?
On 3, we say it together.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Women
in refrigerators.
All right.
All right, guy. This is. We've discussed the possibility of this happening, where we both guessed the category correctly. I guessed women. You guessed refrigerators.
Yep.
And if one person guesses a category correctly, they don't have to read the article. It's put upon the other person to read the article.
Yeah.
So I'm saying my category was women, and that's the first aspect of it.
Yeah.
So maybe you have to read it by yourself.
No, because my category was refrigerators. So I think that we just.
We have talked about this before, and I dread this because I do feel like we shortchanged the audience last episode by just not taking it seriously.
Yeah, but
and not following through. But
Well, this
I mean,
is
the
following
rules.
through.
We're following through with the rules of the pod, and the rules are if we guess a category, we don't have to read the article.
Yeah.
So, listener, lovely Dumbo, it's up to you. Go read the article. It's
Yeah.
your job to read it.
Listen,
It's not ours. We're done.
Here's
Our
what you
job
gotta
here
do.
is done.
Lovely Dumbos, read the article, get a microphone and a DAW, and make a podcast, and then send us the audio of it. And we probably won't listen to it, but I mean,
We can re-upload it.
No, we're probably not going.
No, we'll re-upload it to our. No, and that'll be the podcast.
Yeah, you could do that. Yeah,
Listener submission. So read the article out loud into a
Yeah.
microphone.
Women in refrigerators.
Provide
do
critical analysis, but make sure it's
it. It's gotta
apolitical.
stay apolitical.
And it has to be
Wait, is
infotaining.
it, pro Second Amendment but anti-gun? No, pro gun, anti Second Amendment.
Anti-abortion, but pro-baby murder. No, pro-old people murder.
Yeah, euthanasia. Yes.
Pro-euthanasia, anti-abortion. Got it. Or is it is pro-abortion, anti-euthanasia? I can't remember. Anyway,
Doesn't
just
matter.
read the article. Email us. What's the email again?
Oh, let me look up the email. 'Cause
I think
don't
it's
even know.
thewikipod1999@gmail.
It is thewikipod1999@gmail.com.
Just email us a fucking MP3,
Yeah.
M4A, WAV file. Doesn't fucking matter.
A video, a FaceTime video.
That works too.
Yeah, like any form of thing. I mean, if you got like.
Guy's a fucking wizard with this shit.
Yeah, you could. If you know where I live, you can drop off a CDR.
Don't approach us in person.
Well, not me.
If you're a lovely Dumbo and you see us, just don't bring up the podcast at all.
No.
It's embarrassing. It's not for us. It's fine. Like I can.
We're embarrassed of by our listeners.
Yeah, I can't. The secondhand embarrassment I can't deal with. I'm sorry.
All right.
I'm PJ.
Guy.
Go fuck yourself.
A bit.
Bye.
Wiki Pod,